Hi everyone, welcome back to SAT 021. In this lesson, we are going to talk about system of one linear equation and one nonlinear equation. The first method to solve this kind of system is solved by substitution. So we may use one question to demonstrate the whole process of solving this kind of system by substitution. The first step, isolate one variable using the linear equation. So the system is 3x minus y equals 1, x squared plus 5y plus 61 equals 0. So we use the first equation to isolate the y. So y equals 3x minus 1. And the second step, substitute in the second equation. So we may substitute the y into the second equation. So the second equation becomes to x squared plus 5 times 3x minus 1 plus 61 equals 0. And the third step, solve the equation. So we are here to solve the second equation. So we may distribute the 5. So the equation becomes to x squared plus 15x minus 5 plus 61 equals 0. And that is x squared plus 15x plus 56 equals 0. And then we may solve it by factoring. And the factor form is x plus 7 times x plus 8 equals 0. So x equals negative 7 or x equals negative 8. So we successfully find the values for x, and we also need to find the values for y. So the fourth step, substitute the numbers to the first equation. So here we just substitute x equals negative 7 and x equals negative 8 back to our first equation, y equals 3x minus 1. So we substitute and calculate respectively. So the first y value is negative 22, and the second y value is negative 25. And we may write the solution in coordinate form. So the two coordinates are negative 7, negative 22, and negative 8, negative 25. So this is our first method to solve this kind of system. And the second method is solved by graphing. So we may sketch the graph of the two equations, and then we can find the solutions by finding the coordinates of the intersection. We may sketch the two graphs. So one of the graph is a straight line, and the other one is a parabola. And we're able to see that the two intersection points are negative 7, negative 22, and negative 8, negative 25. So the solution to this system is negative 7, negative 22, and negative 8, negative 25. So that's the end for this lesson. See you then.